Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to write a program to add two matrices in C++. Before starting the program, we must know what is a matrix and what are the necessary conditions for adding two matrices. So let's start. First of all, what is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. A matrix with m rows and n columns is called an m cross n matrix. The plural of matrix is matrices. A matrix with same number of rows as columns is called square matrix. Two matrices are equal if they have same number of rows and same number of columns. Corresponding entries in every position are equal. In the following example, it is a 3 cross 2 matrix. Now, let us look at the necessary conditions for adding two matrices. Matrices to be added must be square matrices. The dimension or order of the matrices to be added must be equal. That is, 2 cross 2 matrix can be added into 2 cross 2 matrix. 3 cross 3 matrix can be added into 3 cross 3 matrix, and so on. Their determinant can't be 0. Now, let's move on to the program. First of all, we will use #include iostream, which is a header file in C++ program. Then using namespace std. Then int main. Now we will declare three arrays of integer type along with four variables. Now to make this program user friendly, we're gonna print enter rows and columns of matrix. Then we will get input through cin, r and c. Then cout, enter the matrix A. Now to input the matrix A, we're gonna use nested for loop, that is for I equals 0, I less than r. We use r here because this is the number of rows in our matrix. Then I plus plus. Now inside the for loop, we're gonna use another for loop, which is j equals 0, j less than c. Here c are the number of columns in our program. Then j plus plus. Inside this internal loop, we're gonna input the value of matrix A, that is Aij. Then we will use the cout, enter matrix B. Then again, to input the value of matrix B, we're gonna use nested for loop. Here comes the logic of our program. That is, inside the nested loop, we have to use the logic of our program. That is, Cij equals Aij plus Bij. Now, outside this nested for loop, we're gonna print sum is. We use this sum is outside the loop because we didn't want to print it again and again. Now, we're gonna print our desired output, that is Cij. This Cij is in the internal for loop. We made the use of \t and \n here to make our result look like a matrix. For example, this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, and in this matrix we have a space between 2 and 4, 4 and 6, and a line change after 6. This is done with the help of \t and \n. The reason behind using \t and \n is that \t is used for inserting the gap of tab and \n is used for inserting a gap of a line. Here \n is used in the external loop and \t is used in the internal loop. The use of \t is made in the internal loop so as to create gap between two columns, and \n is used outside the internal loop so as to change the row. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna run this program and check it out. Here you can see with the use of \t and \n, we're gonna make a space difference between this 2 and 4 and a line difference between this 6 and 8.